So here we are back again. Let me get my blog. So yeah, yesterday I just got it to build. I'm quite happy for that. Let me just get the stream link and share it on my amazing Discord. Here's the link. Okay. Everyone. Yeah, okay. So yeah, it builds with the commit hash, but today I want to focus on VM stuff. So do I have anything VM related labeled? So I have VM run. Wow, okay. Thread SLF error. Here's the constructor. mstack push. I don't know if this one is even run, you know? So for that, I will need my trusted debugger. So yeah, acquire. So restart as admin. Yes, attached to this one. And now go here. And it opens in the wrong window. Ah, okay, whatever. Yeah. So, yeah. Oh my god, what the fuck is going on with my mouse? Oh my god, it's lagging so much. Oh my god, there's like super high latency. The fuck is going on? Okay, I don't know what was going on there. It was really weird. Again, what the fuck is going on? So, there's like massive delay. Okay, but okay, whatever. Whatever. I can see that it's actually run. And it just came back to life. What the fuck? Why does having a breakpoint on here? Maybe it's the threads. Yeah, there's a bunch of threads. And it might explain the wonkiness. Okay. So VM stack push. Okay, this is a good one to start in my opinion. I have no idea where to start though, but that's fine. So Spidey, source, VM stack. Okay, push. Yeah. Yeah, boy. So looks like we have a return true. And we actually need the body for this. So to get the body, let me put this on the other screen to be honest. It will be easier to deal with this. I put it here. Okay. So Kelly Slater source, and I go to VM stack. Let's look at push. Push. Mem copy SP source N. There's a report overflow. It doesn't hurt to have it there. Okay. So yeah, how do we feel about this? And I need to go to Spidey source VM stack. What the fuck? Okay, my window just closed. And there's a storm coming. What the fuck? VM stack? No, VM. What's going on with my computer today? And it scared the hell out of me. Okay, yeah, it does make diff. Yeah, F7. There's a bunch of error warnings that I want to forcing. Okay, so it was built. Now I can go to, what's the way to run commands? Yeah, okay, it's like this. Perfect. Now Oh no, I shouldn't have copied. Okay, whatever. I just need a new instance. And yeah. Yeah, let me just fully close the window. Yeah, as I was saying, looks like that tomorrow will be the worst storm in 35 years. So kind of cool, I must say. um, is there any differences? I don't see any, but I recommend doing this. Stack push. This is beautiful. Since I know these parameters, that's diff online, like all the online diff checkers are shit. I just want to copy paste. Just want to copy paste stuff, but I can't. And yeah. Yeah, okay. And if I copy everything, yeah, good. So these are identical. This is really good news. So I need to put OK. I was not putting OK. I was only putting matching, which is weird. So SP, move SP. So there's a couple things going on here, right? So there's memcopy. So there's SP, right? I have no idea what it is. So yeah. So there's salloc, buffer, and SP. Okay. Let's create Shift F2. No. What? Shift F10. Where's the structures? So, yeah, it's here. So what I need is a VM stack, fixed layouts. Yeah. Can be a good idea to have it. C syntax. Oh, yes. So I can just copy this one. Here, yoink. What? Fuck. Where is it? Where is it? Yeah, bad declaration. So local types. So I think the problem was that struct VM stack. It should have been like this. Yeah. This is what it should have been like. My bad. My bad, G. I didn't want it to be like that. Okay. So, okay, this is interesting. So this is very interesting. So what we can do, let me open string x. So what you can do is string x cpp, validate. So yeah, validate. Let's get the validation functions going on, right? Validate. Actually, let me just not do this now. And have new term, ls git diff. Let me get some music though. Yeah, I'm kind of curious to see how the weather is going to look tomorrow. So yeah, I'm getting more and more posts about the end of Windows 10. I have some feelings about it. It's mostly driven by one thing, which is people are not moving to Windows 11, so they are forcefully killing it. But yeah, they are a private company at the end of the day, so create some wonky scenarios because of that. I did. kind of funny that the European Union actually managed to make them add security patches for a longer time, which is insane. There was a really good Louis Rossman video about it, where the current American administration complains that EU treats American companies unfairly, and then it's the Americans getting the short end of the stick. Yeah. Buffer 4.8, and this is a SP. So how do I know whether this is working or not? You can also add the static assert. My assertions, yeah. So I can do this. Static assert, size of VM stack. And that's cool. Yoink, just put this here. DLL main. So can I just do validate VM stack? Will this work? SAS is not a member undeclared identifier. This is horrible. Okay, this is good. This is good. This is good stuff. So VM stack. Okay. This is why we have static assertions. I need to disable most of the warnings, to be honest. Undeclared identifier. That's crazy. So I'm thinking whether how will I do it? My assertions. I don't want DLL main to be including everything, right? But so I can do my validations of H if not def my validations. So everything that is my is basically void validate. So just do this. So my validations. So there's validations. So there's only basically one place that I should care about, right? Which is my validations. Then the rest is, yeah, I let the linker do it for himself. So now I can do this. Yeah, I lost a copy. Yeah, right here. Yeah, done. So yeah, okay. So this is important. I want the game not to run after this, right? I don't want it to proceed to hooking stuff and whatever. Because it will be bad. Okay, touching this does not stop the game. Okay, still getting the input. Okay, what should I do? So game. So if fail validation, so do while fail validation. Yeah, okay. This is exactly what I wanted to see. So now let's see. I'm just trying. Wait, okay, it choked a little, but yeah. So I basically hang the thread. That's what happened. Thread blocked. Yeah, yeah, yeah. I know that the thread is blocked, buddy. What do I need more? Oh yeah, VM stack CPP. Yeah. So apparently this is 10 somehow. I don't know. Let's see, right? I'm kind of happy that we're catching this. I don't know what's the other one, but we'll soon learn. So there's move SP too. So move SP. We can go to VM stack. Here. Move SP. Cert. Yeah. And I can do okay matching. So, yeah, okay. This is good. Get diff. Let's separate these things. So I want the assertions. Okay, git VM stack assertions. Relation M stack. Okay. What else do I need from this? Oh yeah, a fucking patch for a change. So how do I do it in the beautiful string X? So patch. Okay. Void patch VM stack. Void. I called it my validations, but doesn't matter. I can read my validations. Okay, whatever. Patch push and ret. So what I'll be doing is go to their memory address and just put it there. So this is the address, and then I do VM stack. Push. Yeah. Come on, this is beautiful. Patch VM stack. Okay, this is good. One error. Cannot convert from bool. What the fuck? Wait, there's two VM stack pushes. What? The more I learn. Oh. Okay. It's this one. Okay, that's fair. So it doesn't like the disambiguation. Okay. So yeah, here we go. So now it should work. Need to add the poly. Yeah. There's always a fix. Past me worked very hard on this. So make no mistakes. So VM stack push over there. Working like a gentleman. So it was around the loading screen that I know that, yeah, okay. It just worked perfectly. Oh my god. But to be super duper quadruple sure, let me just load a random mission. Okay, let me put the game here because I guess people want to see what the fuck am I doing. I forgot what were my keyboard. Audio control options. Keyboard, of course, of course. Oh, punch, camera lock. Okay, they are all in the numbers. Did the numpad for? No, it's not the numpad for. So, okay, that's interesting. Camera lock, target. Okay, that's interesting. Continue. Okay. Oh yeah, I did it similar to Spider-Man 2000. Mechanical Band Killer. Yeah, yeah, I will. Wait, isn't there a door that I need to open here? Is with the get up, chump. Wait, the door is not opening. Am I going crazy? What? Wait, something is broken, right? What? The door. Shouldn't someone come to this? Wait, I think I broke the game. Let me just undo. Yeah, I can delete my DLL. Yeah, delete. Oh my god, sometimes this bullshit happens. Where file pilot stops taking inputs. Why is file pilot? So what I'm doing is trying to rename this, but I'm pressing the keyboard and it doesn't do shit. So I need to close it and restart it. At least it saves context of where it was. Okay, that's good. I don't know. I've run into quite a couple bugs with this. Yeah. Did I break the game already? That's kind of cool. So load. I just wait. Was I doing it correctly then? Oh yeah, I was doing it correctly. Okay, I was doing it correct. I did not break the game. Yeah, this is not Ultimate Spider-Man where you can just jump and... Okay. I'm happy. So... No. Actually, I should clone this because I'll need a copy. Okay, Bing 32 DLL. And now I can just... Yeah. Thank God I did a copy instead of a move. But yeah, here's the game. VM stack push. I didn't know there were multiple things. So yeah, the music is... This is the part of the game where Peter is absolutely deranged and going after the killer. In a good way. Ooh. But yeah, it's working. That's what I care. So just to make sure that it's really working. Attach. Just to make sure that... So the reason why I'm logging everything, then I can just go here and validate what's going on, and indeed it's happening. Okay, I'm happy. So there's more VM stuff that I can be doing. I should be doing. So pop number. So What should I be doing? Push. This different style of pushing. Let me see. VM stack. Apparently only this one shows. She's not giving me. It's kind of giving me the heebie-jeebies. Yeah, but okay. But that's fine. So what other VM stuff exists? Can I look at executable clear? Okay. This looks like a good starting point. When is clear called? Add the destructor. That's Oh, script object destroy. That's a good one. So when is script object? Script object clear. Huh. Oh fuck, of course, it's a serial in. I still don't understand the purpose of these serial in functions. Let me just take a look. What's the purpose of them? Because there's so many. Serial in. No serial in. Serial in. Various data for loading functions. Guess it's related to serialization then. Chunk global. Chunk static. Oh yeah, I can look for script object clear, right? And look for clear. And Kelly Slater's. Ooh, this looks fancy. So add thread. Okay, this actually looks awesome. Script object add thread. Oh, yes, 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 yes. So there's two add threads, right? This is the okay. So this one has a push with a 4. With a 4? What? Okay. Oh, it might even be this one. Okay, so there's the game unpause. Unpause. Yeah, this one. Yeah, I don't know which one is this. Ah, int. So script object instance. That's 2. Int. Where the fuck is that one? Ooh, might just be different. Okay, that's fine. That's fine. Yeah. So script object. So They seem to be very similar to each other. New VM thread, VM stack size. Oh. 256. Hmm. Yeah, okay. Maybe I can start with something more simple, like this set suspended. Yeah. Yeah, okay. It looks more kosher. What the fuck? So script object. I need to go to VM thread. Set suspended. Okay. So yeah, it looks like a simple method. Set suspendable. And I'll see what happens, right? So the second one. Oh, I copied a bunch of code now that I've seen. Okay. This is dope. Makes my life much easier. I thought that I was going to bring it one by one, but actually, yeah. So, set suspended, export, export. So, I want to disable. So, Visual Studio disable warnings globally. It's so annoying to get the console. C++. Hey, are you part just to make it run better or just for fun? Uh, wait. Uh, both. I have a blog post about it. Let me give you the link. Yeah, I put it in chat. Yeah. So, where is it? Where's that thing? Yeah, I written a blog post detailing like there's a lot of things that can be done with this game. That's what makes it so interesting. But I don't plan to touch in any game mechanic, if that makes sense. Only engine stuff. But yeah. So yeah, this should be enough. I just want to hide fucking warnings. How did you do first? Build. So I want project wide disable. So warning levels, warnings, errors, no. Or none. Optimizations, no. Recompiled headers. Repos. Maybe I can ask Mr. GPT. In Visual Studio 6, how can I disable warnings solution live? Oh, no. No, that's dumb. That's dumb. Okay. Looks like Mr. GPT is useless. Warning. Not you. Yeah, warden level. Yeah, okay. So they were already dealing with this bullshit. What the fuck? So patch. So what's the number of the warning? So there's this one. So WDS. Should help. VM thread. Okay, VM thread is another one then. Oh, beautiful. I do a clean build, right? I go here. So signal. Hook off. I'll let these guys be because they look strange indeed. Deleting. Build to DLL. Oh no. So region. The evil region. Warn level.h. Okay. For fuck's sake. If I do a clean build, I really want to see it. Oh my god. It's working majestically. Oh my god, this is exactly what I want. 2 warnings I can live with. So, what did I do then? So let's just commit this because this is useful. Oh. So git add. No, no. Yes. No. Oh. Git diff. Git diff minus cached. Yes. Okay, this is good. You have to use an old version of Visual. No. So it's in the blog post if you want to learn more about it. Build sane warnings. I just want to make sure that I have the exact same code before I touch, because I'm importing Kelly Slater's code base. It's a different game, and I want to be sure that I'm not accidentally destroying it. So, Toby, this guy, Toby. And I don't know what's the deal with why people get so pressed about me using an older Visual Studio. I don't know. Such a minute thing about my work. I have another project that it's in Java 8. I don't know. Like when things work, they work. And oh, this is majestic. So let's just do it this way. This is much easier to see. Red 4, this, there. Okay. Void validate VM thread. That's good. I have no idea how big it should be. Validate size VM thread 0. And the rest will come naturally. I have my compile time assertions here, which I love very much. Yeah. So validate VM thread my validations. The fact that I'm using an older compiler, even like it means that I can't accidentally use new C++ features that the developers didn't use. Like, there's no reason not to do it this way. Why is this taking like a jiffy? Ooh, okay. So the size should be 76. Stop. Okay. So how much is 76 in hexadecimal? It's 4C. I don't want to break the compilation yet, but it'd be a good idea. So I go here to thread. Yeah. Is suspendable. Yeah, it comes from so flags. So V. So I need to look into this. Yeah, this the nothing happened. Yeah. Yeah, exactly. This V2. So that's the flags. And the flags looks like they are on position 8. Let me get the local types here. So now I need to introduce so struct VM thread. Let's turn these into yeah, this one. VM thread pointer. Yeah, this. So these are the flags. Okay. So flags are in position 8, apparently. Padding byte, yeah. Great. And yeah, no highlights. Is one error. Cannot access protected member. Where the fuck? That's true. I cannot access protected members. That's kind of dumb. But I can fix this. I can fix this. I remember in string X, I did something really, really cool. String X. This one. Ran. Validate. Yeah, okay. So, yeah, basically I need to do the same. VM thread. Yeah, friend. Validate VM thread. So yeah, I can abuse C++ features to do C++ stuff. Yeah. It's one of the things that I remember learning about C++, about friend classes and friend methods and whatever. But it's one of those things that we never touch again, if that makes sense. Like, oh yeah, cool. There's friend stuff, but it's usually not a good idea to have friend methods, so because usually there's a lot of emphasis put on proper encapsulation. That's suspended. And I use proper here, kind of not real thing. Like, there's no correct way of doing things. That's what I want to say. GM thread. Yep. Okay. Looks promising. This looks hella promising. Yeah, set suspended. So yeah. That's sweet. So git diff. It's not the only one that's good. Git commit. But set suspended needs multiple ones. So VM thread H suspendable. This one is okay and matching. Is suspended. Set flag too. Okay. So okay and matching. Set flag. Bam, 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 bam. Okay. Hmm. For real. For debugging. Remove me if I'm still here. That's crazy. Hey, shit. Fuck. I let. Fucking heck, man. I dropped my phone. Okay. Where is it? Yeah, here. Set suspended. No, 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 no. Where is this guy? Maybe I should move it to this other screen. Yeah. Kind of bizarre. Like JoJo. Okay. So set suspendable. That's interesting. Let's look for it. Suspend. It doesn't seem to exist any set suspendable. Which I like. Okay, call script library function. Oh, I think I hooked this in Ultimate Spider-Man. Thread run. Oh. Wait a moment. I can probably find it. So here it is. Let's make this way. Okay. So set suspended right here. Start yank. So there's something here which I have no idea what it is. There's the run. I care about case 4. Hmm. So what is this about? VM thread. So set flag. I guess this is the set suspendable. Hmm. Oh, I already have it. That's sweet. Right. Yeah, looks like it, right? So, yeah, looks like literally it. Yep. This set suspendable. I found it. And that's the beginning. Okay, okay, matching. Suspendable. Perfect. So I love this comment over here. Ay, ay. Gives me the heebie-jeebies, to be honest. Ooh, my callback. Ooh, that's a good one to do. So is a constructor, I guess. Yucky. Suspended. Yeah. Hmm. Yeah. Indeed, there's a lot of missing things. No idea what that. What is that? What is this? Pop PC. I guess it's this pop PC. No, no, it's not. Where is pop PC used in VM thread run? Probably got inlined. Oh, that's literally my 911. Yeah, I think, let's see. So if I'm thread. So, wait. I think I know the size of VM thread, right? So it's 48, so I kind of know the size, right? Right, it's 48, but I'm getting for C. Ooh, mama. Okay. This is not good. And I can actually use this for my advantage. So if I go to local types, I guess it's in a different window. View, open subviews, local types. Oh, it's Shift F1. Okay. So 48 minus C. Yeah. Yeah. This guy. And yeah. So this is exactly what I need. So there's no misunderstanding. Um, so, okay, maybe I should look into VM symbol then. Oh no, okay, I just fucked this thing. public. Where are the fields though? It looks like to be the last one is. So get thread ID. Okay. Can probably take this one out. And do this. Touch. And now it will be more correct. Because I kind of need it to be aligned. 48. What? Thread ID initialized. And what's the problem? Let's just do it this way and pray that it actually helps. Okay. Nice. Okay. I'm just locking down the size, not really. VM thread. It's one of the few things that we actually know the proper size. It should be 48. So okay. Remove from local region. Remove from local region. Oh yeah, it looks like a promising one. And yeah, this one. Okay, so where is it used? Yeah, okay. They look like to always go in pairs, right? This one, yeah, looks definitely the thing that I'm looking for. So VM thread pointer. And we know, so move from local region export. Let's see if they are already aligned. Yep. We're absolutely cooked in this regard. Yeah, it should be 34 and it's 38. So local region. Okay, this is a good one. So local region should be 34. Is it the same offset in the? Yes, it is 34. Okay. Can I skip this entry thing? Oh. This is my personal 911, you know. Bam, 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 bam. I knew this day will come. I just need to think about this. No, no, okay. No, script callback. My callback. So... so there's something that is the wrong size here. That's given. The script library class could be the wrong thing. And yeah, I'm gonna go with this one. I'm sorry, G. So I need to go to thread ID and undo the patch. Undo the patch. Okay. Now this should build VM thread, illegal member and initialization. Okay, so there's 37, 62. Okay, so I can just go here and do this. Are they all done? I think so. Syntax error on 72. Yeah, of course. PC stack, this guy over here. Okay, that should work. So let me manually run the validation. So to manually run the validation, I just do this and start the game. And since we get hooks, means the validation was a success. That's a little tip from me. But yeah, it's good. So yeah, even using the same compiler, I was not getting the proper alignment. So yeah, I cannot patch this remove from local thread thing because I don't have the code for that. Yeah. Okay, be right back. Absolutely yoked. Okay, remove from local region. Okay, this is the one that I just did. So remove from. So, okay, matching. And then can go to here. This guy. Here. Here. This. Okay. This. Okay, this is good. So, to do when region code is done. Okay, this is one of those that I cannot patch because it would be silly of me. So, yeah, this is cool. This is cool. So, local region, git commit, local, remove from local region, remove. So let's take a look at this one. Warning function has been disabled. I can, yeah, this one I can do. This one is, you know, an easy one. You know, I'm a big hater of getters and setters, but there was this one time, actually it was this week at work, that they were actually helpful. So the Visual Studios memory breakpoints, so the one break on write, not the break on read. I use that mostly for reverse engineering, but the break on write was broken. It just was giving me an error. So since I had the getters and setters, not that I wrote the getters originally and setters, it was quite easy. It was just a matter of doing it. How do I say? It was just putting a breakpoint on the setter. It was really like, I loved it so much. VM thread. This is great. So yeah, okay, matching. Okay, matching. This is kind of is a harmless function, so would if cares 7, yeah. These goofy functions are great in order to measure progress. Okay. Do I really want to touch this one? I don't know. Oh yeah, I really want to take a look at VM symbol, right? So so VM symbol kind of implies that when is VM symbol used though? That's the important question. Because it's not, if it's only for like debug purposes, then I have my answer, right? It's in script objects. Interesting. Yeah, okay. That makes sense. Yeah. Chunk data symbols. First, script manager loads. Okay. Okay. Script manager load. World load scene. Hmm. Unreg. Unreg. No. Hmm. No serial out. Interesting. Okay. So I want VM symbol main. Okay, let's look for it here. So S. Hmm. Yeah. Okay. Oh. Okay. This looks like it was in line, to be honest. Hmm. Yeah, this guy. It's hard to know what's inlined or not. Hmm. Where the fuck am I? Ooh, type mismatch. Really? Implicit parameter. Let's look here, because I don't believe that's part of what I'm seeing here. So this is part of add instance, yeah. Large function. And with the call to new instance, yeah. Looks different. Um, ah, there's a. Ah, no, it's this thing. Insert something, 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 something. Okay. So this is the script object add instance. Okay, I found it. But why does it matter though? Yeah, why was I looking at this? Concatenate. Corruption collision mesh file. Yeah, this one. This is what I want to see. So, oh, what the fuck? I already have this here. Oh, that's a p string, apparently. Concatenate. Fact. Fuck. There's indeed p strings. Huh. Kinda skipped over them, but okay. Hmm. Well, yeah, I'm starting to think. Okay. A string X. Yes, these are the packed string stuff. Huh. Interesting. What is this? No. Yeah. Son of these. Zero in. Mm-hmm. Oh yeah, script manager add. Could be this one. So script. Hmm. Don't know what that means. No, for fuck's sake, man. I need to look at the disassembler view. Assembly, yes. Yeah. Okay, it's around script object add. Okay. Okay, this way I can. So add instance. Yeah, this looks like the add threads. This is the no, not sure which. Maybe I'm stressing about VM symbol and I shouldn't. If I can't find it, maybe it's not that important. Hmm. What is this one? G-World pointer, yeah. I love these ones. Ah, this looks so similar, but at the same time different. So this is a, it's this guy over here. Yeah. Yeah. I found suspend in script object. Script object h class instance suspend. Script object. Alrighty, time to steal source code. So suspend. Ooh. This will be great. So the body of this code is insane. It will let me validate multiple things at once. Alright, thread list iterator. So I'm dealing with iterators. Use of undefined VM thread. So will this work? Who knows? Who knows? Who knows? Oh, yeah, of course, I forgot to save this. No, okay. So everything seems to be out of place. And I need to fix these ASAP, right? But the generally wise, the code looks fine. So for C, so there's something extra in the definition that shouldn't be there. That's what I'm seeing. So class. So friend void validate script object instance. Okay. Kind of silly. Silly me being silly. Validates. Oh yeah, I need a VM thread CBP. Oh yeah. Okay. So you really want to include both compile time assertions and runtime. Only put compile time assertions when I'd say it's, I'd say worth it. So instance 0. Now I go to my validations. Yeah. No, 32. So yeah, 32 is 20. It's not correct though, but because I look to, okay, suspended. So suspended needs to be at position 14. Yeah, must be position 14. Uh, Sometimes it's instantaneous, other times it takes longer. Yeah, once, yeah. Since the thread got stuck, I love this. The thread getting stuck. And yeah, I'm running this in release mode. So assertions run in release mode. This is awesome. I love this. I think it's what are they called? Something DB, Tiger Beetle DB. They also run stuff in. Oh, could it be that string X is bigger than it should? Can I find like a new string X, right? It will be dope if I find like a new string X. Because I want to know the size. Oh, crate. What's going on? No. Create copy instance state. Okay, let me take a look. As it might be copy. So I want to look for new. So I'm looking purposely for new string X, like this. Oh, FE panel. Yeah, it doesn't seem to exist. I'll find something. Load object, front end menus. Maybe string X is just too big and silly. How big is this? Huh. String X. Mm-hmm. So, right. String X looks like it's, a V8 here and V9. So it must be 8 bytes, right? And then, so it's at least 8 bytes. I know that. Okay. So, doesn't mean it's at most 8 bytes though. Yeah, it looks like it's 8 bytes to be honest. But what is the size of string x though? Because I might have a chunky thing. Ooh. Hmm. So I'm blaming this on yeah. It is the same thing, right? But slightly different. Hmm. So I'm looking at this, right? And I have 16. So I can already create the thing though. Script object instance. Okay. The script. Okay, so 20. Okay, suspended. Full suspended. Also be the SO data block. Huh. Yeah, the SO data block. So get buffer. Oh, look at this. Look at this. This has the proper size of it. So list deleter. It looks like an inline thing. Add instance. So yeah. So here I can add a this, and we know the size here is 20, right? And now that offset 1C, there's this guy. Bowl suspended, okay. So here, there's the vector, I don't know what to call it. There, yeah. Let me ask on the... Okay, std containers, either local types. Maybe I should. And either. Right. Let me also post on the reverse engine. Either. Can I put I'm creating a post. STL. So. Hey. I'm seeing. Okay. I'm currently writing a post. I've seen where they will replace the input system with a modernized. I always thought that's cool. And yeah. So my blog, I covered that. I want to expose all the engine stuff, but the game logic stay as is. Like I don't really care like about the swing physics or Spider-Man pickups, whatever. I just mostly care about basically separating the engine from the game logic. No, like what's the American number? Alrighty, so I posted a question, kind of a noob question, but I never deal with these things in this way, so I don't care. So string X, yeah, so there's string X. String X, I have no idea how to define ordinal for. Yeah, but come on, man. So I'm just adding something here, okay? I just want to, it's not okay. At least it will be acceptable, that's what I mean. Signal callback, so script object instance, yeah, this guy. So string X, yeah, okay, whatever. And this is the name, yeah. What's the other guy called? Threads. Threads. So here, okay. So string X, then SO data block. Huh. Yeah, okay. I can definitely take a look at this guy. So there might be something wrong there, and I need to fix it. So SO data block. SO data block, yeah. That's beautiful. So do I have SO data block CPP? No, I don't. So I need to include SO data block H. I should also finish the stream soon. By the way, what I'm using, this thing also replaces the graphical stuff, part of it. It's not like 200, like it's not 100%. I don't want to use the word reliable because it works, but it's not a custom-made solution. It's probably the most correct way to describe it. But, yeah. So data block CPP. Should I just yoink all the code, right? So should I just memory? Okay. So yeah. So I need to build this guy, right? So header files, spidetm. And also need to add this guy. My validations, yes, it worked. ATM. So data block. Perfect. Yeah, I need to. Yeah, most likely comes from global. Nice. So I guess the one that I'll be triggering. Oh, let me just do something cooler then. So this function over here, we know for a fact that this is this guy. There's other like this here, yeah. Alrighty, I accept this. Okay. Export public methods. Of course, you're exported. Internal methods. Of course, you're export. Yeah, great. So at least I can just. Okay, time to. Where's Toby? Right here. I like adding big chunks of code and the compiler just accepts it. Like, yeah, means that I did a good job before, prior. So data block. Yeah, yeah. So size. So actually, they seem to be spread apart more than I would imagine. Oh, maybe it's because they are not used. So SO data block. But hmm. Oh, that's interesting. So this game actually overrides them to malloc. Oh, they actually override. That's okay. I have some fun things to deal with now. So init. What is this all about though? So this guy, yeah. Why is the init looking like that? Initialize script parameter. Oh, it's debug stuff. Wait a moment. Wait a moment. Underscore debug. What? Wait. Oh, it's hurting my brain. So that underscore debug stuff is incorrect. Not defined in release mode. Okay. Well, the sessions are not here though. So yeah. Yeah, they are okay. I see what's going on. They manually define the macro, and I think they kind of messed this up. But okay, I think now I'll get compilation errors. Initialize script parm. No, parm stands for parmesan. You know. I'm joking. Script library class. That's what it. Really? It comes from script library class. Script library class. Yeah. Const. I guess I'll just include it. Script library class H. Bam, bam, bam. Yeah, I need to define those mean functions. In it. I don't like it. So underscore init. Making me a little worried. Like, there are definitely optimizations going on, which is the thing that is confusing the hell out of me. So block size. So according to this, A2 is the block size. Yeah, indeed, and buffer. Yeah, okay, this looks good. So this is not perfect. If buffer, delete buffer. Okay, okay. What the fuck? Okay. So init. So and it. Okay. SO data block. Yeah, this guy. This guy calls init, not underscore init. Okay, that's a big difference. So, am I in the correct one? Oh, there's two inits. Okay, for fuck's sake. Now I understand. Now I understand. I understand it now. So I need to go to SO data block. SO data block. Okay. So the first thing is a block size. And then there's a char pointer buffer. Great. SO data block pointer. Yeah. Indeed. Okay, this is exactly what I expected to see. Uh-huh. Okay. Now this craziness is more tolerable, I must say. SO data block. Block size. SO data block. Great. Yeah, okay. Yeah. Something heap, I remember. Static mem, yeah. No, not this one. What? It's kind of scary, that static mem thing. Gold heap. Yeah, it's in Archalog. Yeah. Archalog. The script. What the fuck? If build debug G, if not defined. Yeah, boy. So let me look at this, guys. Archalog. Oh no, these are the CPPs. Mm-hmm. They are basically, it's basically plotting the. Alrighty, not a big deal. So just take this, SpideATM source, arch unlock CPP. and include arch alloc. So this is how it goes. Yeah, I need to hook these functions now that I think about it. Yeah. And now that I think about it, I need to hook these cunts, or else I'll just hook myself. Big time rush. So here, just do return malloc size, return malloc size, return malloc size, return malloc size, and this if block, free block, free my man, free block, if block, just a simple null check. As far as I know, calling free on null is undefined behavior. I'm just guessing, because I remember I got crashes once because of that. Actually, that was fine. Hardware OS PC, so you know what? What did I call it? PC Archalock. I should call it W32 Archalock. So yeah, this file. Let's just. Okay, this looks good so far. Okay. So move Spidey source hardware. PC Archalock to Spidey source. So Archalock CPP. Okay. So data block CPP. Okay. This guy. No. Oh yeah, there's OSL lock. I forgot that. There's OSL lock. Huh. So it forwards to W32 alloc. For fuck's sake. Do I already have that? I do. Whatever. There's like duplicated stuff. I don't really give a shit. So the problem is kind of goofy what I'm doing. Include stdlib.h. You go ahead. Cannot convert. Try malloc. What are these goofy ass arch stuff? Arch users. Check malloc. But no one seems to be using them. arch try malloc. Yeah, I don't think anyone is using that, so yeah, indeed. So it's just goofy ass code that doesn't do shit. What I can do is just go here to Spidey TM source. Forgot the name. Archalog. Yeah. Right. Yeah, these guys. And if patch. Like, what's the point if I'm already overriding it? It was probably old code, and I don't really give a damn. Undeclared identifier. It looks like I only need arch free, right? It's the only one that I need. What? Undeclared VM thread. What? Oh. Okay, I need to take a look at this. So malloc becomes archalog. What the fuck? Yeah, pretty function. Wait, it's a double underscore pretty function? That works. Nah, that's crazy if it works. Couldn't get pretty function to work though. Ah, okay, it's this guy over. Yeah, okay, I understand it now. So patch, hook off. Now this should build, I guess. Arch malloc. Yeah, okay. I have no idea how to deal with these guys. Besides just pasting it like that. 2 errors. Malloc and free. Okay. With this I can fix. Okay, here. Include. Is it memory? Okay. Alrighty. This will be easy to export. Yeah. Do your thing. Oh, it doesn't recognize it. Okay, that's fine. So where is my export? Okay, it's defining my export. Include my export.h. Yeah, fuck it. Why not? What? What fuck? Different linkage, what? Ah, okay. I guess I understand what's going on. I cannot export these. Said is the worst thing. What the f? Okay, now it's working. Now it should be working. Yeah, okay. Toby. So SO data block. Yeah, so this is a problem, you see. The malloc is the wrong. I need to address this. I should replace the malloc with my malloc, and we'll be Gucci. Should I even replace with mine though? I need to think about this. Should I replace my heap? Hmm. Oh, should I replace? I guess so. There's no harm in doing so though. I guess. Wait a moment. There's like two indirections. Yeah, it doesn't pay much to have like those two indirections. But should I or shouldn't I? Archalock. If I remove this, it still builds. Yeah. Let me look at. So Arch Malloc. Malloc filled in. such a non-topic in my opinion. So I go here. Does it really matter? I don't think it does. And yeah, that's true. This is a different beast altogether. That mine does one less jump. Ah, who the fuck cares? Yeah, I should totally look into these guys. Look how many levels of interaction there is. Really? It's just free. Okay, that's interesting. Interesting. So this is just this and that. Okay. I need anything else. I could even have like crazy stuff like profiling and shit. End of the day, I can just hook this guy to my free, and then okay. My malloc size D size. Return malloc size. So nope. Nope. My malloc. Okay. So my free. Okay. Void my free. Block. Okay. This might seem a little silly, but I have reasons for this. Then I can even instrument the game, which is crazy. So, yeah. So, void patch alloc. Yeah. Okay, this is the one that I want to actually patch. Yes, it's this. And do this and do my malloc. Oh, that's my free, fuck. And then I need to go to malloc. Actual malloc. This guy. There's enough space for it. Yes, there is. I don't need that many bytes. Oh yeah, great. So my malloc might seem crazy, but it the validation will fail, so I'll comment this. And I'll need to tab new term copy sh. Yes, now it does instantaneous. Okay, I'm confused. Okay, the game just booted. It just crashed. Why? Why did you crash? Why did you crash? First chance exception. Yo, what the fuck? Toby DLL. It's a tragedy. Okay, this is deep. Okay. Now the Spider-Man one is the one acting up. M size. Exception breakpoint. What the fuck? Hmm. Let's see. So where is it? Where is it? This guy. So I'm just doing this. Hooking these guys, in my opinion, is very important. Okay, whatever. Oh. See, so what? And a bunch of what going on? Oh my fucking god. I deserve to be shot. I can't believe that. I'm like, why is that never... Okay. Okay. Hmm. Hmm. Yeah, okay, I see. Oh, maybe I'm the evildoer causing all these problems. Basically, everything is broken from what I've seen. If, hypothetically speaking, right, I remove this. Does it work though? Is it Might not even be related to me. Okay, I know it's related to me. Mm, 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 mm. Okay, much better. So this is the address. Okay, this is okay. This is good. This is good. This is what I want to see. Oh, okay. I guess this is the problem. And it tries to validate the heap. It's like, no, I don't recognize this heap. Oh, calloc. So many at exit things. Okay. Need to have dinner. Okay, it's a packed string. Didn't expect to see it. But okay. Hmm. Come on, I want real at exits. Okay, let me just look in the code for at exits, right? Where is the code? So, Kelly. Okay, at exits. Yeah, maybe I should patch this thing. So let me just clear all the... What? Why does this shit happen, man? Okay, breakpoints. Why? I hate this so much. I cannot. There's like a big delay between clicks. Okay, here. Exactly, okay. So I need to replace the at exit stuff. Okay. Okay, this is solvable. So int my at exit return at exit func. That is the only thing I need to do. Does it build? Yeah, okay. I guess now it should work. After I put the proper address here. Seems to be working just fine. Oh my god, this is perfect. You might not see this, but this is what peak performance looks like. Oh, yes. Yeah, this is really cool. This is really, 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 really cool. Okay, okay, okay. I should remove the. Oh my god, this is beautiful. So if I do this, it should be enough. I have the game running. And to use the proper one. Okay. Is awesome. Is so. I'm out of words. Okay. The lost kid. Fuck off. Come on. And it's not crashing. Exit. Yes. Does it crash on exit though? Because I might have some crash on exit. It's not, you know, there's always the school of thought that says that it doesn't matter if a program crashes on exit because you're about to quit anyways. And I like that way of thinking. Like that, like there's people that suggest people never free memory. Like, this is great. Patch memory allocations. This is great. Yeah. I have no words. To be honest. What? Yeah, that's kind of bad. Not all commits will be valid because of this, but that's what happens. This is a really good stream, I gotta say. Almost 3 hours. Crazy. So let's see how does it go. After these builds, open-tobey. Yeah, right here. I forgot about these files, which is annoying. Let's see how this goes. Oh, yeah. I know exactly what's the problem. So, project dependencies. Okay, Toby Mac. Git add, git commit, build, make file. for a while there will be some failures, but that's fine. More importantly, I think I can close this guy. Close it. Close this guy. Spider-Man. Toby DLL. You can eat it, dick. And I can back up the IDVs. So Toby IDVs can do Python backup. Yeah, right into my Raspberry Pi. My backup, basically. Oh, this is amazing. 31 seconds. Yeah, it's much quicker now. Setup links. Yeah, okay. The build only takes 4 seconds. Yeah. I'm in heaven. Okay, maybe I can test this DLL. Just to... No, okay, it's fine. So data block big size. Yeah. No, it's not so data block, it's script object. Script object instance. Yeah, this guy. This is the proper. Okay, let me see. Yeah, today was a really good day. I must admit. Like, I started with virtual machine stuff. Then I went to memory stuff so I can hook everything. This is really hard to describe how happy I am about this. This is really great stuff. Look at this. I'm adding patches. Yeah. Yeah, this is kind of goofy. This is really good. I need to undo that. Okay. I think that's it for today. Thanks everyone that dropped by the stream. Don't forget that there's an amazing blog, aka my blog, where you can learn more about this and what I'm doing. It's, I'd say, the best place to learn. And let me just put it again. Yeah. Wish everyone a nice evening, and yeah, see ya.